Remember that a week ago at this time, we whipped out the heavy jackets one last day
that
because it
winter
was
gear.
a little bit of snow around.
Don't remind me.
It was just a week ago, and now you're what? How warm are we this morning?
We are in the 50s and 60s out there this morning.
That's New
mild.
Mexico for
Yeah.
you.
These temperatures right now are highs that day.
Not even.
Yeah, some spots got in the 50s, so we're already above that. 61 in Albuquerque right now, 60 in Socorro, and 54 degrees right now in Ruidoso. It's a nice start to the day. Winds are a non-issue for us just yet, but again, through the afternoon, we are going to see some breezier skies settling in. Here's a look at our forecast through the day. You can see nearly widespread winds sustained anywhere from 15 to 25 miles an hour. Could get a few pockets of some wind gusts into the 35 and even 45 mile an hour range for today. So with the breeze, with the dry conditions, we are going to see that fire threat go up. But here's a look at our winds through today. Sustained winds 20 to 21 miles. That'll be some of our stronger winds into the afternoon, and the wind gusts paired with that in the upper 20s and into the 30s for today. So the fire concerns will be an issue today. Winds will also be strong, but we are going to track the chance for some moisture. Isolated showers and storms possible as we get you into our eastern plains for today, with that rain chance improving for more of us as we get you into the next couple of days. I'll talk about that in just a second, but here's a look at the fire concerns. We have the red flag warnings up for the middle portion of the Rio Grande Valley, also our northeastern plains, central plains as well. So not a good idea to be doing any of that outdoor burning. The relative humidity levels still down pretty low, but we are going to see some of this moisture creep in to our far eastern areas, and that's going to help with our rain chance as we get you into the second half of today. But you can see future track as we take you through the day. We get the few spots of green developing on the eastern half of the state, but like I mentioned, as we take you through the next couple of days, by tomorrow we start to see some of that moisture advance westward, and we continue to see that chance for rain advance west as we go into our Friday. So we're looking at a good chance for some widespread showers and storms as we get you for most of the state Friday and into the weekend as well. And this rain, it's much needed for the entire state. But today in the metro area, I am keeping us dry. We'll have a few clouds increasing through the afternoon. We are also going to keep it breezy, and the temperatures in the mid 70s by noon, mid 80s by this afternoon. We'll be at about 85 degrees. So again, almost a carbon copy with the temperatures from what we had yesterday. We'll peak at about 85. We'll also be into the 90s down into the southeast. But here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Southern Colorado mostly sunny today. We'll have the mid 70s. Tomorrow, a spot storm possible. Better chance for rain Friday into the weekend. Into the north and west, most of us in the 70s today. Cuba will get to 79 degrees, Grant 78 with windy skies. South wind 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting at around 35 miles an hour with a chance for spot storm tomorrow. A better chance for rain Friday into the weekend. Then into the south and west, lots of sunshine today and lots of 80s. Also the breezy skies. Southwest 15 to 25 mile an hour wind, gusting at 35. Friday into the weekend, we'll have that chance for rain and storms starting to move into the area. Into the southeast today, that chance for rain and storms starts today. We'll also be on the hot side, 92 degrees for a high. Tomorrow, temperatures drop by about 10 degrees, and our chance for rain will increase. As we take you into the northeast, isolated storms possible today. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting into the 35 mile an hour range. Most of us in the 80s, a few 70s. Las Vegas, a high today of 78, and a rain chance sticking around all the way through the weekend and into early next week. Into the northern mountains today, a mixture of sun and clouds, followed by late day showers and storms possible. A better chance for rain, though, tomorrow through the weekend, and the temperatures today in the 60s and 70s. The East Mountains today, partly sunny and windy. South wind 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting at 35, low 80s, 80 in Cedar Crest and in Sandia Park. Then we'll be in the mid 80s as we go into the metro area with the breeze. 15 to 25 miles an hour, sustained gusting at 35 for today. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Staying dry today, and really this is our last completely dry day. Tomorrow we'll look for the chance for a spot storm, but even here in the metro area, our rain chance doesn't get really good until the weekend. Saturday and Sunday we'll look for the chance for some more scattered showers, but in the temperatures, they're going back down to the 70s back by the weekend.
That'll actually be downright comfortable.
It will be comfortable, you know, and a lot of people enjoy the rain when you get it, even if it does kind of
It's a
hinder
real
your plans.
special treat when we get it here.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not every day. It's like
Yeah.
once or twice a year.
I know we need it.
Yeah.